Bitcoin trades above $29,000, Ether stays below $1,900. KuCoin denies mass layoffs, says cuts are part of normal operations. Singapore High Court rules crypto personal property, compares it to fiat money. AlphaPo payment provider hack now estimated at over $60 million, Zach XBT. Miami Heat's Jimmy Butler seeks dismissal from Binance promo class suit. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets are witnessing narrow-range price movement amid tepid investor participation ahead of a likely 25 basis point increase from the US Central Bank. Bitcoin traded near the $29,000 crucial mark. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrencies, was trading higher by 0.2% at 38,680 points. So, if we talk about the overall investor sentiments, who are eagerly awaiting the US Federal Reserve's announcement on the interest rate policy decisions and the news conference of the Federal Chairman Jerome Powell. According to the CME Group's FedWatch tool, market participants are anticipating a 98% chance that the central bank raises interest rates, which could mark a return to hike after keeping interest rates unchanged in the previous month. Among tokens, popular meme coin Doge witnessed a price spike following the media reports suggesting that the billionaire Elon Musk's brace overhaul of the Twitter, now called X, could broaden the use of this case. The reports also have sent the DogeCoin prices higher. That's what the analysts have said. It surpassed Cardano to become the 7th largest cryptocurrency by the market cap. If we talk about the other altcoins, XRP was seen trading higher by 0.7%, while Sol, the native crypto of the Solana smart contract platform, sank more than 1%. The another interesting news, wherein the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Optimism has published a report on the recent launch of the Law of Chains, which provides market participants in the OP stake superchain ecosystem on the open neutrality framework. The move aims to promote fundamental concepts of users' protection and the decentralization. The global cryptocurrency market cap was hovering around $1.17 trillion mark, rising 0.1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume plunged by over 11% to $26 billion. Elsewhere, venture capital heavyweight Anderson Horowitz is selling a part of its investment in the crypto lender MakerDAO's MKR governance tokens as the price of coins soared to a near one-year high. Blockchain data is actually revealed. Interestingly, around $7 million worth of the MKR tokens were transferred from a A16Z's crypto wallet to a freshly created addresses, according to the Ethereum blockchain monitoring website Etherscan. Going forward, Badger's DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization which focuses on integrating Bitcoin into the DeFi space, has released a purple paper for its eBTC protocol, enabling users to borrow synthetic Bitcoin without any upfront fees or interest to make Bitcoin more accessible and affordable for the users. If we talk about the US stock markets, and its futures fell as investors geared up for the Federal Reserve's latest interest rate decision. S&P 500 futures dropped while the Nasdaq 100 futures slid 0.1%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 60 points or 0.2%. If we talk about the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin was trading at $29,210, up by 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.1% at $1,852. If we talk about the other altcoin, Solana Sol was trading higher by 2.7% at $23.8. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1% at $0.078. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, trading higher by 0.4%. Next was Triple XRP token, was trading at $0.69, up by 1.7%. However, Binance BNB was down by 0.1% to trade at $237. Cardano's ADA token was also trading lower by 0.8% to trade at $0.31. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.3, down by 0.3%. Next was Polygon Matic, was trading down by 2.2% at $0.70. Polkadot was also trading lower by 0.1% at $5.2.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin has shut down rumors suggesting it was preparing to lay off 30% of its workforce, a figure that amounts to approximately 300 staff in the coming weeks. We want to clarify that KuCoin has not initiated any alleged layoff plans, a KuCoin spokesperson said, adding that any potential cuts are part of her broader plan to expand on the firm's business development. Addressing the layoff rumors, KuCoin CEO Johnny Liu said in a July 25th tweet that the crypto exchange is still operating smoothly. Liu explained that any potential staff cuts would be part of a semi-annual employee performance evaluation, which he said is part of remaining competitive and dynamic in the fast-paced crypto sector. The clarification from KuCoin appeared to be in response to a July 25th post by independent journalist Wu Blockchain that claimed that KuCoin would soon lay off 30% of its workforce due to a strict Know Your Customer policy in the United States, which has led to a decline in the exchange's profits. Cryptocurrency is deemed property capable of being held on trust, Judge Philip Jeyaretnam of the High Court of Singapore decided in a ruling on July 25th. The judge said he didn't see any difference between crypto, fiat money, or shells as long as all those objects, physical or not, share value created by mutual faith in it. Judge Jeyaretnam handed down his ruling in a case brought by Bybit against its former employee Ho Kai Zing. Bybit claimed the staff member transferred around 4.2 million of USDT from the crypto exchange to her private accounts. The court has now ordered Ho, who's been accusing a non-present cousin of controlling the relevant accounts, to return all the money back to Bybit. While the decision may seem obvious, it contains some formulations important for the juridical status of digital assets. Judge Jeyaretnam calls the stolen USDT as well as cryptocurrencies in general a property. Even though they don't have any physical presence, the judge believes that. The alleged AlphaPo payment provider hack of July 23rd is now estimated to have caused losses exceeding $60 million, according to a July 25th report from on-chain sleuth ZachXBT. The loss was previously reported at roughly $31 million. The new report from ZachXBT identifies an additional $37 million allegedly drained from the old addresses on the Tron and Bitcoin networks, bringing the total to more than $60 million in losses. Citing data from Dune Analytics, the on-chain sleuth argued that the Lazarus Group may be behind the attack. AlphaPo is a centralized crypto payment provider for e-commerce subscription services, gaming sites, and other online businesses. It's known as the provider for mystery box platform HypeDrop and gambling sites Bovada and Ignition. Professional basketball player Jimmy Butler has asked to be dismissed from a class action lawsuit targeting celebrities involved in the alleged promotion of unregistered securities by Binance, saying tweets he appeared in did not promote the named securities. In a July 24th filing, Butler's lawyers argued 3 tweets he appeared in promoting Binance between Feb 2nd and Feb 13th of 2022 did not mention alleged unregistered securities and thus could not have helped to promote them. They asserted Butler's tweets did not recommend any investment and instead warned of celebrity crypto endorsements, urging potential Binance customers to do their own research on crypto investments. Butler was named in the March class action lawsuit alongside Binance, its CEO Chanpeng Zhao, and YouTubers Graham Stephan and Ben Armstrong, who is known as BitBoy Crypto. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of buzzing stocks of the day.
Let's have a look at the buzzing stocks of the day. First on the list, we have a dog-themed meme coin, DogeCoin, tapped its highest in the last 16 weeks, data from Sentiment revealed. Doge was trading up near 5% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $11 billion. In general, a high trading volume indicates stable liquidity and most of the time leads to fewer price fluctuations. Analysts believe that since Doge's volume was not the only one that increased the meme's price, also joined the party, this is an indication that there is increasing momentum and potential to maintain the hike. In terms of active addresses, on-chain data revealed that the metric had hovered around the same range since 17th July. This means that the number of distinct addresses participating in sending and receiving Doge was almost the same. Moving on, Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution Arbitrum Whale has been making noteworthy transactions over the past few days. The whale appears to have a bullish stance on ARB. ARB was trading at $1.16 with a market capitalization of $1 billion. On 23rd July, LookOnChain reported that an Arbitrum whale made a significant withdrawal of 1 million ARB tokens valued at over $1 million from Binance. The post also highlighted the whale's previous activities, revealing a total withdrawal of 11 million ARB tokens worth more than $13 million. This particular withdrawal stood out because the whale deposited over $6 million worth of ARB tokens into Aave. The deposited amount was 5 million ARB, valued at around $6.2 million, and the whale borrowed $2 million in stablecoins. This indicated that the whale was taking a bullish stance on ARB as it opted to go on long on the token. Given the whale's apparent bullish stance on ARB, the current sentiment on CoinGlass was analyzed. According to data from CoinGlass, Arbitrum has a positive funding rate as of this writing. Similar to the whale, traders on the platform were also betting on the token's price rise, evident in the positive trend of the funding rate. Next on the list, we have Optimism. Layer 2 blockchain on the Ethereum network, Optimism witnessed a remarkable 12% increase in the TVL over the past month, according to the data from DeFi Llama. Notably, Optimism stands out as the sole Layer 2 platform in the top 10 ranking of blockchain networks to witness a substantial surge in asset value during this period. Optimism was trading at $1.45 with a market capitalization of $987 million. With increased adoption and growth in network activity on the Layer 2s, OP stack, and the implementation of its Bedrock upgrade, Optimism's TVL has grown by 80% on a year-to-date. As of 1st January, the chain's TVL was $520.74 million. Following a momentary decline in Optimism's daily transactions count between April and the beginning of May, the anticipation of the mainnet integration of the Bedrock upgrade, which ended on 7 June, drove traffic to the chain. According to data from Optimism Explorer, the network's daily transactions climbed by over 300% since May 8th. Likewise, the daily count of new addresses on the Layer 2 blockchain has increased by 247% within the same window period.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3wordstv.io or scan the QR code.